In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Squarespace, step by step, 2025. First, open your Squarespace site from your dashboard so you're looking at the website you want to update. Once you're on the page, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. This puts the page into a live preview where you can see changes as you make them. Next, select any text area so Squarespace knows which styles you're working with, then open the Design panel. You'll want the Site Styles, where all your global typography settings live. Inside Site Styles, go to Fonts, then open Paragraphs. This is the section that controls your body text defaults across the site, so any changes here will apply consistently to pages, posts, and most text blocks, unless you've overridden them. Within Paragraphs, look for the line height control, which sometimes appears as a slider or a numeric input. This is the setting that changes your line spacing. Drag the slider slowly and watch your preview update right away. If your paragraphs feel cramped, increase the value. If they look loose and disconnected, bring it down a bit. A practical range for body text is often around 1.4 to 1.8, but the exact number depends on your font size, and page width. As you adjust, read a few sentences in the preview. Your eyes should be able to move from line to line without losing their place. If your site uses multiple paragraph styles, such as small, regular, and large, open each style and apply a matching or slightly adjusted line height so everything feels cohesive. Larger font sizes usually need a touch more breathing room, while smaller sizes can feel balanced with a slightly tighter setting. Keep an eye on spacing above and below paragraphs too. Line height affects the rhythm of text blocks, so make sure headings and lists still look clean with your new setting. Check how things feel on different screen sizes. Even without switching devices, you can visually judge whether your text will stack too tightly on narrow screens. Generally, a bit more line height improves readability on mobile because lines wrap more often. When you're happy with the look, close the panel and save your changes. Saving applies the new line spacing site-wide wherever those paragraph styles are used. If you've customized individual blocks in the past, you may need to revisit those to remove overrides so your global settings take effect. That's it. Your Squarespace line spacing is updated, clean, and